Ever wished you could effortlessly access your design projects from anywhere, collaborate seamlessly, and keep everyone on the same page? Let's dive into how to work with sync files using Adobe Creative Cloud. First, make sure sync is enabled. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, usually nestled in your system tray or dock. Look for a file sync icon. It might be a cloud or a syncing symbol. It should show the syncing process. If sync isn't enabled, you can usually toggle it on within the app's settings or preferences. Now, if you want to sync files, make sure your design files are saved to a Creative Cloud library or the Cloud Documents folder. When you create a new project, be sure to save it directly to your Creative Cloud files. In your Adobe application of choice, like Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, access the Save As menu, and you should see options for either Creative Cloud files, libraries, or Cloud Documents. Select one to quickly sync your file. After you've saved your file, look inside your Creative Cloud files from your desktop or in the File Explorer. The file will automatically be uploaded. Now the file will be available across all your devices. This means you can access and work on your projects on your phone, on your tablet, anywhere you have the Adobe Creative Cloud apps installed and internet access for team collaboration. Create a share link within your cloud, allowing others access for viewing or editing. Depending on permission settings, boom, you're now a sync file master. Use Adobe Cloud for seamless collaboration.